All right, so I've had some people ask, well, quite a few people ask me this question before. I've had people come up to me on the side of the road, ask me this, how my trailer works. So it's a hydraulic removable gooseneck trailer, or a float, or a lowboy, low bed, depending on where you are. So people call it different names, but here in the truck, I'm gonna show you how it works. Gonna start off here. I just stopped. I have to unload this 6x6 rock truck here. So all I'm gonna do is, with this trailer, the fittings, some of them are different on depending on the trailer, but with this one here, it's a pair-on. The fittings that are on it, you have to release the brakes on the trailer at the same time as the tractor. Gonna dump the air, turn the PTO on. This system has a PTO on the back of the transmission that pushes hydraulic fluid into the trailer, and so I'll get out and I'll show you around there. Okay, so I don't know how well you're going to be able to hear me, but here's my load here. It's Cat 730, but with this trailer here, it's made by Paron. It's all hydraulic, and so all this stuff here is controlled by hydraulic fluid and a valve body that's inside the gooseneck. And so what you have to do is, there are big cylinders in here. When you have to lift the trailer up, those things actually push this out and this down, effectively picking up the trailer. So we have some other ones here where I work where they're half hydraulic, half pneumatic or air operated. So these pins here are operated by air, and there's another pin, you can't see it, but it goes from the neck down into the deck to lock the two together. That's controlled by air, but with this one here, it's all hydraulic. So I'll show you on this side, and then maybe whenever I get unloaded, I'll show you how I pick it up empty. But so all you do is just move this one lever, fix the trailer up here, then you can see you gotta put the pins in here, another one there, take our safety lock off, and then set it down. Stinger bar down, and then that takes the weight. It lifts it puts the weight of the gooseneck onto the tractor, so that way you can pull away and it's not going to drag on the ground. So then you just you take your lines off here and pull away. That's it. And so you can see there's many different styles of RGNs. This one here, it uses these two pins, and then there's those ears like you saw on the gooseneck, and then there's the hole where the deck lock pin goes in, lock everything together. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this truck off, and then I'll go grab the shovel to reload. Okay, so gonna hook the truck back up, and like the best thing to do to make sure that you get it first try, get those little tabs lined up here with these pins, is to park as straight as you can, and then look in your mirror, look down your fenders, and line up with the trailer. Now, some trailers and some fenders you might line up perfectly in line with the outside edge of the trailer, like especially 8'6", you know, regular dimensioned trailers. This one's an 8'6", but my fenders, they don't come perfectly to the outside edge. So pick a spot and pull ahead as straight as you can. Give yourself the best chance and pull straight back. I always air up the bags whenever I pull away, try and save the fenders. But yeah, so I'm gonna back up here and I'll just show you how that's done. It's pretty simple, to be honest. So just like that, we got her in there, and now you can see from this side what it looks like to pick the trailer up. Just like that. So we've got the pin down, if we can see over there. The pin is locked in, you can see that. The bolt is down. I had to add these spacers here because the shovel's got some weight to it, so the trailer it does sag a little bit with a lot of weight on it. So you just add these spacers here with a little tab right there for them to stay in there before you put the pins out, just to get it up off the ground. But there we go. So just like that, and there's the full setup here. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm not sure if I covered everything, but if you have any questions, ask me and I'll be sure to answer them.